we are embarking on an unboxing of Dalgona Heat Friendly 16 inches in the beautiful color British Milktea. And here she is. And for those of you that are curious, I am wearing Dalgona 16 inches heat friendly in Coconut Silver Blonde. Let's take a look at the inside of the cap on our beautiful Dalgona 16 heat friendly, purchased on the clearance section at Wig Studio 1. Beautiful cap construction with a temple to temple hand-tied lace front, a left monofilament part, very minimal permatease, very minimal, beautiful velvet covered ear tabs with metal stays, and spliced in hairs for a more realistic look. My favorite feature, the extended nape, also velvet covered, and aerial view, open wefted in the back. I do detect a very infinitesimal amount of permatease at the nape. Ever so slight amount. So let's do a switcheroo. So this is Dalgona after a good shake and removing the tag. We are using distilled water. One thing I adore about this Dalgona is the ear coverage. Excellent. The ear tabs come down nice and far, down to here. Excellent. British Milktea is a very ashy color, so if you like ash, you will love this color. Let's take a look at the gorgeous lace front, which I'm looking at along with you for the first time. She's a winner. Now, if you're looking for a little bit more lift, here's how that gets accomplished. The way that I do it is with Jon Renau Peace Out Fiber Contour Cream. A little dab will do you. I put a dime size and heat that baby up. And always remember, one of my favorite products, Aesthetica Designs Sea Salt Spray. So as you can see, we've given Dalgona quite a lift. So let's do a 360 before we do some outdoor footage in the natural daylight. so we can show all my neighbors how my hair looks. Let's go. Thank you so much for joining me on the unboxing of the Dalgona 16, Heat Friendly by Belle Tress in British Milktea, and our styling suggestions. Do join us at the Wig Studio 1 private Facebook group with Topper and Support Group. We'd love to have you. Until we meet again in the next video.